Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Divine Soul. Our last video was about positive and negative vibrations and its impact in our life. If you haven't had a look at it, this may be a right time. In this video, we will explore more about vibes and their connections to able to clearly perceive the connection between vibes and law of attraction in universe. It has been proved repeatedly in the past that we all humans have a supernatural power. It is all about knowing what we have and how to use it. Telepathy and Reiki are some great examples. We all know about telepathy, right? Telepathy meaning distant, and pathos or apathia meaning feelings, perception. Have you ever had this intense desire to eat a particular food and were you surprised with the same food by your loved ones? Even before you convey this to them? There are so many instances in life when we think of someone we loved and we happen to meet that person the same day. Have you ever felt that someone needs you and you reach them to realize that he or she seriously needed your help? Animals have a more powerful senses than humans. They have the ability to predict well in advance about natural calamities. In addition, they can predict about drastic changes in future in a human's life. This has been proved time and again. Vibe has many languages of transmission. Telepathy is one of them. Knowingly, unknowingly, we all are aware of this. Reiki is an old concept which originated in Japan. In Reiki, person can gather positive vibe from universe and pass it to other individual for healing. This practice can also be performed when a sick person is miles away. Have you ever noticed while giving blessings, elder or priest, they touch your head with their hand? Why? In Asian countries, young seek blessings from elder by touching their feet. Why? In human body, the vibrations are concentrated in the feet and hand as the entire body knows and hear. Have you given this a thought? The healing art of acupuncture and acupressure have been beneficial as they are based on this nerve connection, and most are aware of its effectiveness in relieving stress, tension, and anxiety. Moreover, we have a different religions in this world with a different way of practicing. Some offer their prayer to fire, statue, some go to a place of worship, all with a single belief that their prayer will be heard and their wishes will be fulfilled. Isn't it true? How is this possible? Because when they are praying, they strongly believe. The firm, solid faith works. We are universe. Everything is a part of this universe. You, me, animals, mountains, rivers, sun, moon, and many more. So when we pray to anything, everything being a part of universe gets attracted. It is one with the supreme power, God. It all depends on how strong your faith is. Your firm faith and strong belief are the most important. If you send positive vibration of prayers to nature with the firm faith, you will always receive what you prayed for. Black magic is also a part of concentrated negative vibe. It is produced by anger, jealousy, and or greed. It is the opposite of healing. We perform prayers and rituals to create positive vibe for a healthy and happy life. In both positive and negative vibe, regular practice from belief and faith are most important factor, otherwise it won't work. As I said in my previous video, We are all capable of throwing away negative vibes with three rules: nothingness and calm mind with a pure heart. Healing, aggravating, cursing, and blessing will become a more powerful only if you sign your energy with it. In short, either you create a positive energy or get rid of negative energy. It depends on you. Easiest way is to surround yourself with the positive energy. Look at nature, trees, animal. Nature absorbs toxicity from our life. At every break, one should spend time with nature for spiritual activity or meditation or just for being happy. Recharge yourself, stay away from anything negative. When we socialize, we are around people from different walks of life. We exchange vibe and aura. Remember, not all vibes are positive. With nature, of which living things are a great part, we get positive vibes. Having pets at home creates one of such a positive vibe. Cow is on the highest position in the hierarchy. It is considered auspicious in countries like India. Feel nature, feel positive. Recharge yourself. Thank you for your time and have a good one.